Hello guys, I was do some modification to my refrigeration system. I adjusted the charge a little bit and I also removed the isolation from the suction line to have a better feeling at the temperature of the line. If there's any like frosting, I will easily see it. Everything else is the same. Using 10 liters of water and you can see the start temperature is 35.7 C and the stop temperature will be 18 C. The run was roughly something like 15 minutes and like the cooling cycle, and we was having 860 watt of power. I just showing briefly the setup, and I try now to do a voiceover because the quality of the sound is not really good. I hope this will be slightly better. Yeah, I will just turn on the system about now and we will see it operate basically, and later I will show that on the end, almost at the end of the video, I will show that there is a little bit of refrigerant or oil in the suction side glass. But I think it all evaporates until it reaches the compressor because the pipe is even warmer near the compressor. Yeah, I'm not totally sure what's happening because the suction side pressure is about 2.5 bars, so the boiling point of the R290 is about -10 and the pipe is in positive, it's like room temperature, slightly below room temperature. I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, but this is all experimental, so yeah, it's okay. And I'm now just showing some temperatures, and there's a little bit of a discrepancy between the 2 meters. One shows 35.7 and the other 33.6, so yeah. We now just started the cooling cycle. The time delay ran out, it's 1 minute, and yeah, the rest of the video I will have just the sound of the fans running and me talking, just what I was described, but it's not really audible, so I was make this voiceover. Yeah, I hope you watched the video until the end, and thanks for watching in advance, and see you soon again.
Yeah, just started.
We now have a full site glass. The suction line is at room temperature.